Good morning. Good morning. What up? What up? We live. We live early. Getting that early action. Boom, 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 boom. Good morning. What up, investors? What's good, man? Getting my on super early today. I figured why not? I'm just hanging out. Let's just pop on and hang out. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? I'm setting up my setting all my stuff up here. Yo, what up, Fred? Yeah, I mean, just hang out. Just kind of hang out with everybody, chill out, see what's going on. What's on the juice? Any news? Oh, dude, we have non-farm payroll this week. Oh, baby, almost forgot. Trump could have the blockade of Iran lifted by Labor Day. Bro, by Labor Day? Dude, that's not even close. You'd think you would just make a phone call and they'd start moving the ships, but apparently not. Wow. Trump will probably meet with Iran's Ayatollah at some point. Wow. Iran agreed they will not have a nuclear weapon. Nothing crazy. Just wild that the blockade would take that long to be lifted. This Cold War crap is crazy. Just a bunch of talking. I mean, that's what it is at this exact stage. That's exactly what it is. It's just them going back and forth talking about bullshit. Yeah, it is so stupid. I literally sit here and I just watch it go back and forth. Honestly, on any of these news pops, it just comes back. Like, I bet you this was the Trump thing. So let's see, what was it? What time was that? Like 7:50, like 6:50? No. That was last night. That was last night. Oh yeah, look, here's the Trump pop. Pop. And then literally it dropped like 50 points. It never holds. Early, BK. I'm here for the people early. What up, Keyshawn? I was just up. I was up early already. So I was kind of like, why not just freaking hang out? Trump says China's president looks up to America. Bruh. Shit's awesome. Dude, Trump's out of his fucking mind, man. Out of his mind. Honestly, we're not fucking going anywhere. But you know what? I'm probably gonna buy a dip and just kind of just chopping around here. What's gold doing? I should set up my copy trader actually. Oh, it's up still. Oh, geez, that's awesome. All right, cool. Don't even have to do that. Yo, anybody? How was Asia last night? Anybody jump on the Asia stream? Anybody jump on Asia last night? I didn't get home, bro. I didn't get home until almost 11 o'clock last night after leaving to go to coach softball, thinking I was going to be home by 6. Maybe Sean says he had a bang, like a $200 banger last night. Dude, I said I was going to be. Somebody asked, "Are you going to be on the stream?" I was like, "I'll try." Dude, I went and coached softball. Softball was done at 6. Then they had like this car show thing in town. So I was like, all right, I'll go. My dad is here. He wants to see the cars. So I was like, worst comes worst, I'm home at 7. And then I get a text from my friend, one of the dads moved to Florida. And then he still works up here. So all of a sudden he was like, yo, I'm around the block. Let's get a drink. So I said, okay. So my family went home. I met him up. And then another guy came and we hung out until like 10:30 and just, yeah, it was a long night. I'm not a huge like after like first of all, I only do gold. And after about 11 o'clock, I'm out on it. Yo, what up? What up, Tattle? What up, Double O? Yeah. But I don't trade I don't trade I don't trade NQ at night normally. That doesn't agree with me. NQ is rough. Yeah. NQ is definitely rough. Oh, you know what I need to do? I know what I need to do. I need to set up the X stream. Yo, what up, TJ? Guitar guy. I try not to trade Asia. That way I don't give back my profits. Yeah, I kind of that way. I'm definitely that way, to be honest with you. I'll just I sometimes I pick one account and then if I win, I'll do another account. And I'll just keep doing one account until I lose. But I'll copy trade gold at night. Asia was so good that me. Damn, BK's at max profits for the day. Jeez, what did it look like? Were you trading NQ? Would you catch this big dip? Damn, that's a big freaking dip. So that's a massive dip and rip. That's wild. I've been trading volume profile on NQ and loving it. And hey, a lot of people like that. You're long in gold? Looks like it looks good. I mean, you're up. You go to break even and just hang. He made you money before? Oh, on that big thing? See, sometimes you get lucky, though. Like, you get a move. Every time I'm on here, we never get, like, that, you know. Dude, this is a great fucking move last night. In my 50K funded account, since I traded 2 days so far, my net total. Yo, Guitar Guy, that's an awesome spot to be at. It's a great spot to be at, dude. Yeah. I'm just watching. I'll bring this over. So this is what I have on my other screen. So honestly, like, I'm going to want to see a freaking dip down into this range. At the bare minimum, if I'd play a scalp, I would have to get 84 here. Which probably wouldn't be bad because you kind of have a flag here. So honestly, if we would come down here, you'd probably break below the flag and then it'd probably reclaim it. So it's probably not a terrible idea at 84. This is just shit. This is just going back and forth, back and forth. I mean, we're not going anywhere really. If we got a real dip though, I would look to go around the 50s and then back up. The only thing that worries me is we're over previous day high. Not a massive fan of being above previous day high because a lot of times you sweep above and come back. That's exactly what happened yesterday. See how the high was here? We came above and then we dumped. Right here we dumped. This was the sweep above previous day high, and then we dumped. Um, oh, yo, I actually caught Claude lying to me. Anybody do that? Anybody mess with Claude? I actually caught it lying to me. I had it creating trading view strategies, and I had to start over in a new window. And it literally said, I apologize for wasting your time with broken code and false claims about testing. That's on me. What the fuck? Yo, it's becoming like a live person right now. How crazy is that? What up, Happy? Claude is becoming a real person. Just like you'd lie to your employer and to your boss, this thing is lying to me. Look at that shit. I apologize for wasting your time. Bro, I'm going to screenshot that. Oh, well, why I didn't show up on the stream, or what? What about last night? The dip and rip? What are we talking about? I might just buy this thing and just hold it. I'm just waiting for a dip back down to like 62. I posted so. Oh, well, I said I was gonna make the Asia stream, and then I went from coaching softball. My dad is up from Mexico, so he hung out. We ate. We went to this car show thing in town. And then my friend who moved to Florida, a dad, texted me and said he's in town, come out for drinks. And that was at 7:00. And then I was out from 7:00 until the bar closed. I think it closed at 10, but they let us stay. And then, yeah, that's how my night went. Kind of just stayed out. Paying for it today. Usually I'm in bed, but by the time I got home, I was shot. Why do you have more than 5 TPT accounts? Because if you pass them, it'll just kind of hang. I was actually using them to test a couple things, to be honest with you. SMT. I was using them to test a couple things. Didn't always go as well as planned. Like the 150K, I was testing some shit out on it because it has a big drawdown. I think people don't realize how much testing I do. Like I'm always testing something, to be honest with you. And I burn through accounts because I'll test it on Sim, and it'll be like okay, but I want to see it in like a real account. So I'll fire up an account and test it. That's honestly what it is. That's the best way I can put it, is I'm always testing shit just to try to make strategies better or test new strategies. Like, I'll show you. Like, I have all these things. I haven't. These are all made by Claude. I haven't tested it yet, though. Claude. These are all Claudes. These are all Claudes. These are Claudes. These are ones I made. What do you call it? I'm just always playing around, tweaking, doing things like, I don't know. It's just the way. I'm constantly always doing it. I want to. There's a couple tests that I have that are. There's a couple tests that I have that have gone really well, and I'm just trying to figure out. I need to make one tweak on it, to be honest. One like little thing. What up, Nism? I need to tweak the indicator, actually. The indicator is the indicator needs a close at the end of day thing is what it needs. So I'm just kind of I'm playing around with it. Oh, it has a forced close at the end of the session. Maybe I gotta just close it out. I wonder what the deal is. You know what? Watch this. Oh, my back. Oh, I just like pinched my back. Oh, that felt so good. It's this one. This is the one I've been playing around with. It's the ES orb. It's this ES orb indicator that's literally has the best life to it. So this is what I basically do. Like I'll do like 90 days and I'll just kind of mess around. But this one is the one that I think kind of has the best life to it out of the majority. It's so crazy because out of the majority of all of them, this orb thing seems to be the most promising. But the problem is I kind of got to like back test it like this. I got to play around. I'm looking for profit factor. See, once you dive this a little low, I don't think it likes the small stop. Oh, that's actually not terrible. But this is kind of what I do is I'll just mess around and I want to see what the back test looks like. I already have this one, so watch. I enable this. See how good that is? $14,000 P&L max drawdown. Like that's a P&L. Look how clean that is, right? Like that's super clean. So I have this where I need it, right? I need the 60-minute to be like 1.4 maybe. So maybe I go like see, I'm trying to get it so it's halfway decent. What up, Reese? I'm trying to put this into play though. It's like 1.5 isn't 1.3 isn't like terrible, but the drawdown, like that's a pretty hefty drawdown I got there. That's not going to work. That's not going to fly for me. So I'm just kind of playing around with it. I'm just trying to get it to be something halfway decent. I thought I had one, to be honest with you. Let me see what I got on this computer. I gave you guys, I mean, you guys have access to this. I'm going to light this one up. I'm going to go live with this today, actually. I'm going to go live with it right now. I'm just looking for it on the thing. I thought I had it. I'm looking at my screenshots. I got like a gazillion screenshots. I had a ton of Ninja Trader ones. News in a few minutes. What's the news? We have US ADP employment change. It's probably going to move. Dude, I can't believe I didn't save this on here. You kidding me? I didn't save this on this freaking computer. I'm going to go live with it, though. I've been sitting here thinking about it for a while, and I think it's just time to go live on it. I just need the setting for the freaking other ones. I'm just looking to see if I have it. Ugh. I thought it was a big setting too. I thought it was like, I thought it was something like this. Yo, what up, Jasmine? Early. I was up, so I was like, mine's well. Mine as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, what's this do? Oh, that does wonders actually. Look at that, 1.38. That's at 110. Let's see what this does. 75. Nah, I think I'm gonna go. I think I might do two. That becomes like a 2-to-1, actually. I'm gonna roll with this. I know I have one that's like 20,000 and the drawdown's only 4,000. But look how clean this is. Like that's a clean P&L. See, and then what happens is because this is 3 stages. Now I just test the 5-minute, and then I can see if I can get a little juice out of the 5. Ooh, something just came out. The market didn't even flinch. Yeah, market didn't even flinch. Jeez. I don't love the 5. Well, here we go. I'll play this. Let's get some action. It's going to come down to the 200. They just had US ADP.
Order filled. Order filled.
It looks like so much bigger than it is. These are pre-market candles. Yo, what up, Simone? These are pre-market. What up, Cindy? Nah, this is early day. See, so now, if you guys ever wanted to auto trade, see, I clicked the 3 buttons right here, and now I got to set up notifications. My webhook is in already because I have it, and then I set up a message. I gotta dig it out what the message is. I was just hanging out, so I was like, hey, I'll just come on, shoot the shit. I've been meaning to make this I'm trying to think what the so this is gonna be sim. Why? How long does it take? Two hours? Dude, I've never seen it take 2 hours before. Yo, NFPB. Oh, it just missed me? Yo, I'm just trying to get some beer money early on here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, my back. My back. Oh, let me see Flowbots. What is this? There we go. I'm still in. They didn't take me out. So one thing I noticed a lot of time when you get this pre-market news and it just kind of drops, they usually just buy it back up. It comes down to a level. It came down to the 200. You can kind of see that I got to stop it. You kind of see like we're just trending. Like I just felt like that was an easy, like quickie. I mean, not that I'm going to hold this shit, but All right, so I'm going live with this. I'm going to play around with this strategy to make it a little bit better, but I just went live with it. Dude, that's crazy. 2 hours to get a freaking account? Yo, it's wild. Because it's usually like 1 minute. Yeah, usually like 1 minute and you're set. I wonder what the deal is. Why are you taking so long, man? Gotta tell them. I'm just seeing if any of my stocks are doing what they're doing. They're just kind of hanging. They're just kind of hanging around. Yo, it's only end of day. Yo, I'm telling you, I'm shocked that they did end of day, man. I was a little shocked they did end of day. To be honest. I didn't think they were going to do end of day. Personally. I just thought that I'm surprised they changed their whole business model up. Like they changed everything about everything up, which I thought was crazy. Like everything about everything has changed over there. You know, they used to it used to be a completely different I feel like it's a whole nother firm now. Right? It doesn't just feel like I don't know, it just feels completely different. You know, I don't exactly know what the deal is or why they changed it up so much, but it's completely different now. They can start doing clawbacks. Why? What's going on? Why do you? I'm just curious. Why do you think that? What that? Yeah. Why do you think they're going to do clawbacks? Now you got me interested. They don't want negativity against them on social media. Didn't even know. Um, didn't even know. I don't know. I honestly have no issue with them. I'm just, I don't know. Maybe I'm just neutral. I don't listen. People get so invested in the Apex thing. What up, Adam? Smash the old like button. Just jumped on. Thanks, man. You too. I think people get so caught up in being negative about Apex. It's like one of those things that they feel they need to be negative about because somebody else is negative about it. It's kind of like the whole ICT thing. Like somebody has to be like, oh, I can't trade. And like this guy, like I'm negative about him. So the next guy's negative without actually just whatever it is. Like just, I don't know. I feel like there's just a lot of bandwagon people. Alpha, you could ask me a question. Yes. Um, I'm one of those that like, listen, if you don't like the firm, just don't fucking use it. Just don't use it. So easy. Just walk away and use it. Like, if I go get a burger somewhere and it sucks, do I have to go up to the counter and tell everyone that's buying a burger that this place fucking sucks? No. So why would I do that on the internet? Oh, because no one knows who you are on the internet. That's probably why. Like that's really what it is because there's no repercussion because you're on the internet. Like if you were in person and there was a cash register and there was people buying accounts at Apex, do you think a soy boy like Lanto would stand there and be like, yo, don't buy from here. This place sucks? No, he wouldn't. He would just shut his mouth and just fucking go to another firm, right? But that's not, you're living on the internet, so it's different. You know what you get what I'm saying? Like that's the difference. That's the world we're living in. Is people hide on the internet, even though like you could technically be out there, you're not face to face with the person, so it's kind of like people get a little wild, and then they can do whatever they want. It's their business. You have any strategy which I could pass? Do you have a real strategy where I could pass eval in 30 trading days without breaching it? Because I don't have money to breach accounts. I would say your best bet is to sync up a prop firm to Ninja Trader, and then you can get free accounts there and test your strategy. What up, PG? I don't think people even realize that you can get free. Oh wow, we just hit London lows, by the way. Did we? Oh, I'm on ES, bro. ES just took out London lows. Oh, what the fuck? NQ is not even close to that. Is that possible? Bro, ES is weak as shit. Look out. Wow. I think ES represents more of what the market looks like because the NQ just has these Mag 7 stocks. Yeah, Rua, but that's honestly what happens is people don't have a real one and they just get fucking wild. Or it's just the internet, man. It's just the internet. Why no of traders trade currency futures? Oh, like Forex? Because it sucks. I've traded Forex before. Damn, we just took out Asia highs on. Dude, this thing's dropping. The only thing that came out was last thing I see that came out was Canadian labor productivity rate. Unless there's a new piece of news that just popped. What VWAP settings do you use? Is that? Yeah, David, it's normal WAP. Oh, you're talking about this yellow line? I haven't touched it. It's regular WAP. Whatever they have on the CE VWAP is what I'm using. I don't touch anything. ES is freaking went under London low. If that was the same for NQ, you'd be, bro, you'd be all the way down here. You'd be about 100 points lower. That's interesting, actually. Oh, I missed my gold entry, by the way. Fuck, man. I'm just going to put my orders in so I don't mess up. Let's see if I get hit. Futures is easier to trade than currency, man. Currency futures, I can't trade pairs and stuff like that. But what I was talking about before just played out. Literally, you could have caught either in here for this bounce, which you would have got, I don't know, $4 probably easily. And you could have grabbed right in here and you could have easily got another $5. That's what I was talking about earlier when I drew this line that we would probably break this trend line down and probably hit this little pocket and then bounce. Sure enough, it happened. I just wasn't paying attention. But yeah, I'm looking to get in right here, right in this little zone. Why don't you use second time frame? How many point stop losses each trade? I use the 5 minute like this. Here's the 1 and the 5. I have 4 computer screens. You only see one of the 4. Yeah, you only see one of the 4. So there's basically, I have 3 24-inch monitors and then a 15-inch. All you're seeing is just this. I can't show it all on here. So I am looking at other time frames. I'm looking at other indicators. I'm looking at a bunch of stuff. It's just not up on here. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll definitely answer all your questions here. And by the way, if you're new, say what's up. Be sure to subscribe and listen. You can ask me anything. You're just not another person in the chat. Like I'll personally answer you and show you and go over whatever you need to go over or whatever you have questions about. Dude, if I can make a quick flip here for like $90, I'd be happy. How many points is each stop loss? In gold, I'll risk like $150. In NQ, I don't know. It depends on the trade. Sometimes I'm trading like a wide area where it could be a 50-point stop. Sometimes I'm scalping it. I got an 8-point stop. Also, if you're trading gold, don't ever chase gold. One thing, if you've never traded gold before, is the candles get backfilled a lot. So just because it starts going down, you'll get one of these jobs and completely blow you out. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want somebody to chase gold because I'm on it. NQ is working itself down on VWAP, which would not be a bad take early in the morning. I got London lows at 688. I don't know if I'm going to get there. We've got this last dip. Like, see this? I could see us taking this low out, which would actually bring you right down to kind of VWAP and then maybe bounce. And when I say bounce, like I'm looking to get 10, 15 points out of it, not a trend change. See, because we're pre-market, I didn't take this. If we were during normal hours, I probably would have bought I normally buy at this line and this line. And if I split them up, I'll buy like 2 contracts and 3 contracts, or 3 contracts and 5 contracts. So I would have bought if this was daytime at 77.6, but being that it's pre-market, I'm playing very conservative and I want to see it come down to the bottom one. In funded account prop firm companies really send trades to CME. I don't know. I don't know what they do. They claim it's a live account. Oh no. Once you go funded, it's still sim, and then you go live. It's supposed to be in the CME. Yeah. Yep. Dude, did this just fucking miss me by 4 ticks? Yo, what up? What up, Key? New to the channel. What's your VWAP? It's whatever's here. This screen's using non-VWAP bands. This one is like, watch.
Order filled.
I didn't mean to buy it in this account. I didn't mean to fucking buy it in this account. This is a gold only account. Fuck me. Whatever. I use CEVWAP.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just looking for a bounce. So this is my gold account. I just kind of want out of this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, they freaking missed me on my gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't trade a lot of pre-market. What up, games? I don't trade a ton of pre-market, to be honest with you. Dude, gold freaking, oh my God. Gold just did that to me. Bro, it literally missed me by 4 ticks. I should have just bought. I'm so worried that it's pre-market. I should have just bought. I might add to this. I might add to this and move up my stop, by the way.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll show you why. See, during the day, I think this goes. I don't know if it goes pre-market. How's that sound? I know it sounds weird, but I think we can go up to 30 here on at least 30. That's Asia high. As long as we hold this little green thing, I want to see like Asia high, which is 31. I just don't know if there's enough volume pre-market. Like, I don't typically trade this. Maybe we hit these wicks. I don't know.
Order
I'm just gonna
filled.
I'm just gonna move this up. Whatever happens. I'm out. I don't love pre-market because the fucking volume just isn't there. That's like, guys, when you trade, like, dude, I see people trading at like 6:30 at night. I'm like, bro, it's just algos. Like, the volume is so small compared to like when the New York session opens. You're like risking your capital on like, if you backtest strategies, it will tell you the best time of day to trade the strategies, right? So I've made a lot of strategies and I've backtested a lot, right? And I've used all types of backtesters. The worst time to trade is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So why would you do that to yourself? If all the strategies perform the worst from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, and then people still fucking trade during that time, it's like, and then they wonder why they're blowing accounts because you're trading during the worst time that you could trade. It doesn't follow, because it's just algos. And people just do it. And it's the stupidest thing I've seen. That's probably the stupidest thing I've seen on fucking online. This is probably going to, like, this looks good during the day. It looks like it's going to come all the way back up here. Yo, what up, Lee? Bro, they missed me by 4 ticks on gold. Yeah, this is going to go all the way back up. Oh. Just had a hold. But, like, it looks like a lot. That's really only 3 points. Like, these are small candles. Yeah, Crawl, but people like you should step away from the fucking computer. Like, just don't do it. Just don't do it. At least 8 o'clock, like, Asia opens up. Gold moves around a little bit. NQ starts moving around. I mean, I sometimes come on at like 7:45 because at 8 o'clock you get like a gold move. But yeah, I try to tell people that, and they don't listen, and they trade during those times. They're like, yo, I blew my account last night. I'm like, well, what time did you trade at? I don't know, 6:30, because I was bored. So I came on, I was watching some guy fucking, trade for 2 points at a time on fucking YouTube. So I followed, and then I lost my account. I'm like, bro, just step away from the computer. It's not worth it. You have plenty of opportunities to make money during New York, or wait until at least Asia opens. Like, there's no markets open. It's the stupidest thing. Stupidest thing ever. Dude, one time listen, on average, I've back tested it. It's literally the worst time of the day. Take any back tester and you could do like time frames. It's literally, I'm trying to look at one that I got. I don't even know what this one does. But set it to do like time frame, and then you set it to do like, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And all of a sudden you'd be like, holy shit, all these strategies suck during that time, because it's literally the worst time to do it. Dude, I missed gold by 4 ticks. 4 ticks, dude. I didn't order. My original order was, at 75.7. They didn't fill me. I should have just grabbed. I'm going to show you. Here, like this is what I used to trade. So you can see this whole move fibbed out, came right in here, right? And then bounced. People ask like what it's super fucking easy. I take the last move. This is the last move. I fib it out and I just buy here. What happened? What happened yesterday during that time that dropped it 150 points? Was there news? I'm scrolling back right now. I just want to see what caused it. I don't even see news that caused it. There's war news. Yeah. Yeah, war news absolutely. It's running the whole market at this point. Sutton was getting bombed. Sutton. Little Sutton. Dude, it's wild. It's wild, man. It doesn't end. It doesn't end. Yo, I'm gonna rip the morning, hopefully. I just set up a new I just put a new strategy into play that I've been back testing. I've been trading it manually, but now I'm going live. Going live with it. How was Asia last night? Yo, TJ, every time the news comes out, what happens? It just goes back up the other way. Every time, man. Every single time. Somebody asked me. Oh, yeah, you emailed me, dude. It's realcovetrader@gmail.com. Don't worry, man. I left the stream. I didn't come back till about 10:45 at night, so I didn't answer anything. Bro, gold just fucking ripped all the way back. All the way back. Fuck me, man. I can't believe I whiffed on that. I can't believe it missed me by 4 ticks. I should just not be. I should just kind of just let it ride. What's it based on? What's based on, Crawford? Oh, the strategy? I'll show you. I had it up on here before. It's basically this. It's basically the why is this different now? Oh, you know why it's different? ES performs so much better. Look at that. It's a pretty solid back test. Yo, NFP, baby. I'm in. But yeah, ES actually backtests on strategies better than NQ. It's just smoother. All it is an orb. It's an orb sweep, come back up, or a IB sweep, come back up. Yeah, it's all orbs. It's just an orb sweep back up, and an IB sweep back up or back down. Nothing crazy. Super simple. Dude, I gave everybody access to it. You should have access. If you've asked for access to it, you should have it. If you don't, just put your trading view name in here. I'll give you it. I don't throw your trading view username in here. I'm still gonna edit it, just throwing it out there. Like I'm gonna run it through some stuff to get the optimal settings. Oh shit! What is this? Iran nuclear risk seen higher than before Trump attacks begin. What? What? Yo, ES backtests better than NQ on a lot of shit. Like a lot of shit. It's smoother. Iran nuclear risk seen higher than before Trump attacks begin. IAEA reports. Hey, Cove, can I trade any of the news today? What news? ISM news? Take Profit Trader just doesn't want you trading like CPI, FOMC, non-farm payroll. Like that's what they don't want you to do. Everything else kind of like everything else is kind of fair game.
It starts at 9:15.
Cool. Yeah, like you could trade any of this bullshit news all day. Like that, they don't care at all. It's just the big news that they don't want you to do it. What they don't want is you just to YOLO the account, get lucky on like non-farm payroll. The thing runs like 100 points and you have like 5 minis and now they owe you, 10 grand. That's what they don't want to happen. Everything else is whatever. You know what I'm saying? They're just limiting their risk for like the craziness. Yeah, I mean, people do it on like earnings though, like on Nvidia earnings and shit like that. I know people have done that. Fucking Nvidia earnings come out and they just freaking full port it. You know. So I mean, you could definitely do it on certain things. Just got to be careful. I mean, I'm not doing it that way because That's not what I do, but there's a lot of people that do it. Dude, I'm going to freaking tear this open up. I got to get my quant out. Where is it? Quant Tower. They have some funded accounts. You can full port CPI and things like that. Just an FYI. If you feel the need to do it, you could definitely do it. Am I going to show it? I got multiple charts up. I can't bring all my charts on one screen, Austin. I have 3 quant tower charts. What would you like to see about it? I literally tell you what it is. What would you like to see about it? But I can't do it all on one screen. You only seen one screen. I can't, all the charts would be like this. This is what each chart would look like. Imagine trying to enter fucking trades like this. Like, I can't do it. It's just too small. I'm literally going to follow the momentum. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So say we open and we start going up, I am going to follow it. It's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm trying to get 40 ticks, 10 points on NQ with an 80-point stop. 80 tick stop, 40 and 80. Just going to let it rip. And then another one I'm doing, it has a 30 tick TP, 20 tick stop. And I might have a third chart up. The problem is I can't copy trade, because when I copy trade from prop firm to prop firm, but when I trade prop firm to prop, probably not. So when I do, like say I copy trade prop firm to prop firm, when it enters in the morning, right out rip, because you can get bought and filled in like a half a second, it can create like weird positions. And I don't want that, because that's what happened the other day. I lost a fuck ton of money doing it. So now each chart is its own prop firm. Stop loss. I'll tell you what, every single person that's tried to do the opening trade, Austin, has abandoned it. Every single person has stopped it. And you know why? The reason why people stop it is, if you do it and you take 2 or 3 losses in a row, you're done with it, because you didn't create it, you didn't back test it, you didn't forward test it. All you did was copy it. So you're not in it. Like, if, being that I found it, I back tested it, I forward tested it, I know the data myself, I'm going to stick with it because I know it. But like, if you go ahead and do it and you take 3 or 4 losses in a row and it blows 5 of your accounts, you're done with it. But that's what could happen. But I'm not going to be done with it. I've taken so many payouts with it that I stick with it, obviously. But it's different if you've done the work than just followed it. That's the big difference. That's why I stress, like, you know, that's why I stress, like, yeah, games. But that's why, like, with any strategy, like, if you go to follow anybody's strategy and then you take a couple losses, you're just going to fucking stop it. You're going to be like, oh, man, that doesn't work for me. And then a month down the road, you run into that guy and he's just took 3 payouts. And he's like, oh, yeah, I still do the same strategy. And you're like, really? That's because he back tested it. He optimized it. He forward tested it. Like, he knows the numbers. He knows it's going to work out over a period of time. That's the biggest difference when people just copy a strategy or like really dig into it and make it their own. And that's why I tell everybody, like, I would just dig into a strategy. Like, if you like trading the open, back test it manually. Say, hey, listen, if I do this, what, if we break the last 15 minutes high, like, does this work? Does this work? I mean, that's how I did it. I just back tested manually. I'm just looking. Oh, I'm just setting up I'm actually setting up my copy trader I'm taking some accounts out that what's up? Yo, what up, Alpha? Dude, are you going to short this? Are you going to short this or no? Asking for a friend. I am. Yo, thank you for subscribing, man. Yo, just stop for the day and relax. Yo, Reese. Fucking Reese. Oh, yeah. Oh. Are they not going to? We need some really bad news to really get a good short, to be honest with you. That's the only way this is going to happen. Just an FYI. Anyone that thinks this is just going to short, just go down randomly. This shit isn't going down randomly. We're going to need some news. And there's only a couple of things that are going to bring it down. Inflation. Inflation will bring it down. You need inflation. You need Iran shit to kick off again, and oil would go back up over $100 a barrel, like 105. You need companies to say that they're going to cut back on AI tech spending. Bro, say like Meta came out and said they're cutting their AI spend. I don't know, man. That would be like a massive domino fucking effect. Like, you want to see the market just dump? That will do it. That will sure as shit do it. I could say that right now. Yeah. How often do you find that your backtest actually translate good when running live? If I do it manually, 100%. And by manually, I mean like I use FX replay, and basically I go to each day and I set my buys and my sells and I watch it manually. If I use Ninja Trader, 50-50, same thing with like TradingView, 50-50, depending on the strategy. If the strategy is something that your stop loss is like 5 points or 10 points, and you take profit is like that too, it's like 30% it's going to work. If it's something that plays out over a longer period of time, like you take out previous day low and then you're targeting, the high of the day, like it's more accurate because it's not a fast moving candle. Like it's not going to get bought and filled on the same candle. What up, Corey? You know what I'm saying though? Like, how much slippage do you normally include? Like, if it's fast moving, I just let it run live, and Ninja will show me the results in like weeks. That's why like the fast moving shit that goes really like you're in and out like one candle or two candles. That's an iffy strategy, and you just gotta run it. You gotta forward test it and see what happens. That's why I focus more on like swing type things where like it's in for longer, multiple points. Like maybe we're looking for 20 points, because you're probably not going to get 20 points on one candle. Well, I mean, you can, but it kind of makes it a little bit better. Also, never backtest on Heikkens, never backtest on Ninzarenkos. The only thing you can backtest on is candles, because if you backtest on that other shit, your strategy is going to look amazing. Just an FYI. Just keeping it real with you. You never want to backtest on candles that aren't regular candles. So the best way to do it is if you can get tick data from somebody. So if you can get tick data, which is every tick, that's the ultimate. I do not have that. I just it downloads Ninja Trader data. I think that's what kind of skews it a little bit. But if you can get actual tick data, people have had better success rates with that. Like there's just so many different things that could happen when you backtest. But when people show you backtests, dude, unless they did it manually and they were looking on like, so this is also the problem. Like, I'm going to show you real quick. I'll show you a prime example. I'll go to my screenshots because I have one. So like, this is a swing, right? See how choppy it is? Like, well, not choppy, but like, my profit points are 51 and 20. Like that's a large thing. But then you go to like, this is not realistic. So a lot of times, this is an inside bar strategy. See, it says New York inside. It's not fucking, this is a fake fucking thing. Doesn't really work. It's just fucking fake. And you know why you can tell it's fake? I lowered the stop loss to 1 tick and it still provides wins. There's no way that you can have a 1 tick stop loss and be profitable. That's how I started weeding some of this stuff out. is you lower it to 1 tick, and if it's still profitable, you know the strategy's kind of faulty on how it buys. Have I tried deep charts like to trade on? Yeah, I think Trader's Launch has deep charts. I think that's what I use on there. I don't use it anymore because I sync it to Quant Tower because they have DX feed. But yeah, beats by design. What's up? But yeah, that's kind of what I do. I don't know. Listen, I definitely. So how you forward test where it doesn't cost you anything is you send the webhook from if you have a trading view like if you have a trading view indicator that you want to run, you send the webhook from here to Ninja Sim account, and then you can push it. It'll trade live in the live account, and then you can see what really works and what doesn't. That's your best bet. This thing's not gonna fucking fill. I was actually copy trading that in the wrong account. Like, I would have been so pissed if that filled. 72 is the lead account. I found that using discrete contracts volume, I don't even know what that is. Where do you have discrete candles or discrete contracts? What platform are you using? Honestly, your best bet is always to forward test, but you gotta weed out the shit. Otherwise, you'd be forward testing, hundreds of strategies every day, and that's crazy. So I just use these back testers as like just to weed them out. I think this is actually that's actually Celsius melted with ice. Multi charts. I need water. I need some water. Just seeing what's going on here. There's no real news. Something's gonna pop off. I can tell you that much. Who's multi charts again? Why does that seem familiar? What's multi charts? Somebody had that. Yo, NFP is Friday, Nesto. Their only platform that I found. NFP is Friday at 8:30. So like right now, if you're trading any accounts and you get down to like $200-300 of drawdown, you might as well just stop and use it for NFP. That's honestly your best bet. Because the odds of you bringing back an account with $200 of drawdown is very slim, right? Like, let's just keep it real. I remember TradeStation, man. TradeStation was like the biggest thing, like in 2007, 2008. TradeStation. Yeah. That was like, That was the thing everybody talked about was freaking TradeStation. Remember that shit? Hold on, I'm just gonna get water real fast. TradeStation was the thing. I'm surprised nobody used it in futures land. So I guess you don't need it. Really, I guess. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Here we go. Got my drink. Oh. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, anybody that just kept popped on. Yo, what up, who? Also, the ones that created multi-charts for the team that also created TradingView. Yeah, you can set up Python on Claude to work with TradingView. Got 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Come on. Whoa, man. Oh, just trading at all-time highs. What could go wrong? Crude's pushing up. What up? Deep charts. 2 S's. Yo, I hope it goes over 100 and starts pushing the market down. Goes to show you maybe they don't trust this ceasefire is going to happen. Did you see though the Saudis want to build a pipeline that cuts out the strait? That's going to be wild because they'll no longer rely on the strait, which would take away massive leverage from Iran if they don't have to use the strait anymore. Deep charts. That's his name. It says deep charts, right? Negative? What's up, Donald? What's negative? What's negative? I don't know what happened. Cove, you need to bring up deep chart. Why? Have I run the deep charts front end? You mean to trade on it? Yeah. What about it? Trader's Launch has it. That's the only place I've used it. Why? What about it? I feel like am I missing out on something? I feel like you guys are making me feel like I missed out on something. Yeah, they're not. Yo, I'm telling you, man, every time I thought I would get a good short, dude, I just get my dick kicked. I mean, if you can't beat them, join them. I just freaking long now. Although yesterday I caught a nice short. We swept previous day high and came back. I took that, but man, other than that, almost every other short I take I get stopped out at even or whatever. Yeah, the only place I've seen that uses deep charts is Trader's Launch right now. Ooh, baby. I am getting ready. Aquaman Futures and Yerm. I'm probably out on them, to be honest with you. Yerm. If I were to use any of the three, I would use Trader's Launch. If I wanted to use deep charts, I would not. Yerm. I don't know where they come up with these goofy ass names. Honestly, I use oh, you know why? Dude, it's like volumetrica. That's what it is. It's volumetrica. Yeah, you get all the volume charts and all the other shit that comes with it. My funded futures used to have that, and then they got rid of it. I don't know why, but I just wish a platform that was as easy to place orders as Quant Tower was, but didn't freeze. That would be the greatest thing. If I had a platform like Quant Tower, but didn't freeze or didn't get delayed in the morning. Do you know anybody that has like a one-click place your order? Like you can place two orders real fast, just holding, like press the mouse button, like boom, one order, boom, boom, another order. I don't know of one besides Quant Tower. That's where dude, luckily I pulled my freaking gold trade. Jeez. Dude, is gold just going to dump all the way down? Dude, I want to take this. I kind of want to, man. I'm not going to, but that actually looks pretty decent for a bounce. I should have taken it. I'm watching it and I'm deciding if I want to take a gold long. Come on. I kind of missed it. Yo, Knicks are on tonight, by the way. Anybody watching? I think I can get. I'm not going to leave this. If this doesn't get filled here, nah. All right, we got 1 minute to open. I said Knicks are on tonight. New York Knicks are on tonight. All right. We open in less than a minute. Spurs? Bro. Brunt's about to take him to the house. I didn't look. Is game one at the Garden or in Texas? I haven't even looked. Bro, my shit's fucking frozen. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is freaking whack. Dude, that was the. Oh, why did that just happen? Oh, my God. I just fucked myself so bad. I just fucked myself so bad. I clicked the screen. Oh, my God. I'm going to lose on the most stupidest thing I fucking did. Dude, I got a mixed bag today. So I got these, and then I got this. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I don't understand. I don't understand how it was the same trade I gotta look into this. So stupid. All right. Let me get this shit off. Game 1 is in Texas. I actually just I gotta get this off my screen actually. So I flipped one of those Bulenox ones. I just flipped green. All right, let's get into some real fucking trades. I want to pull back here. I definitely want a little pullback here, and I'll get in some NQ action. Let me get out my PA account. Damn, bro. They just jumped that. Wow. Wow. What the fuck? Is there news out? There's Google news out. That's it. Google about their capital raise. Holy shit. Dude, that's a 100-point drop down to VWAP.
Order filled.
Wow, I'm fucking out.
Order filled.
I was just trying to grab some VWAP. What the fuck, man? Holy shit. Bro, that's 180. Oh, no, it wasn't. Was it? No, it was 110 points, 120 points. Holy fuck. Dude. Gold hasn't dumped though? Yo, you got Asia low at 653. Honestly, that's kind of where I want to see us go is 653. Asia low. There you go, Lee. Gold hasn't flinched. I mean, I would assume it's going to hit 653 ish. I'll blow it tomorrow. Oh, baby. I'm not playing. I want to see it come lower. Come another 30 points lower. Dude, that's a nasty ass drop. Looks like we're going to get it. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Oh, wow. Alphabet sees CapEx increasing significantly versus 2026. I bet you Google's taking a bath if I had to guess. Let's see what Google's doing. No, Google's up. Holy shit. It's a big fucking candle right there. Oh my God.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just scalping extra bag off the top if I can get. It'd be like $80 of a scalp.
Order filled. Order filled.
All that kind of broke even. Such a massive. Yo, what up, helpful? Bro, that was a massive. Yo, are they going to sell this all the way back down? Honestly, I kind of like this.
Order filled.
This is so risky. I just grabbed a couple. So risky.
Order filled.
Yeah, boy, look at that fucking grab. Such a grab. I might get back in this.
Order filled.
I'm only in it with 2 micros. I'm not grabbing I want to see us break out to the upside. No, not going to do it. All right, I'm done. I'll let this settle down now. Oh, news in 3 minutes. It's trying to hold. Good morning, Maria. What up, Trevor? What? No more chicken. No more Maria the chicken girl. Now we're Maria, if you get hit by a car, call me. Yo. What up?
Oh, what up?
I got to put these things on. Oh man.
Did Maria finally quit her job? Is she done?
She quit like weeks ago, but she's starting a new one. But if you get in an auto accident, say your neck hurts and call Maria.
Yo, that's a good business to be in.
Yeah, my friend's in it. It's fucking, yeah. It makes money. My friend's in the personal injury business.
Ooh, I hear Marie as well.
I tell him he's not allowed at my house unless he signs a waiver.
Good morning, Marie.
What's up, Marie?
I'm in that NQ short.
Holy shit bags, you got to be up.
Yeah, I'm up.
No kidding.
About 200.
Boom. I mean, we just took out the lows that I wanted us to take out. Holy shit.
Yeah, holy shit.
Damn. It's going to...
My target's at about 565.
I wonder if we're going to take out Globex
But I'll
lows.
take it if we start reversing.
Did something happen at my house? Why? What happened?
Damn.
What happened at my house? I don't know.
Do you have a freak off at your house?
Baby oil just got delivered today. Amazon. 3 cases. Yep.
Custom made. Says Cove
no,
oil
I was
on
joking around saying my friend's in personal injury. I make him sign a waiver when he gets to my house. No. I don't I was just messing around.
Dang.
Bro, this thing is fucking throwing up.
I'm going to get 3-1 on this.
Holy shit. Are you
Damn.
back playing the orb?
I got in it. There was a little fair value gap at the top after it swept.
Yeah.
I got in there. I was kind of worried about it though, but
Not anymore.
not anymore. Almost at my target.
Damn, this thing's going for
$300.
How much?
$300. 1 micro.
One
Damn.
micro, $300.
That's crazy.
I know. I'm testing.
Bro, this thing is just unloading.
Dang.
I'm not getting in front. I'm not shorting this, and I'm not getting in front of this thing for a little bit.
Be looking for a long here pretty soon.
Yeah, I mean, they got to have some type of fucking relief bounce.
There's Globex lows right there.
What was it?
Globex lows.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't have it on my screen. Oh, I do have it on my screen. There it is. Still going.
Jeez.
What is that down there?
Dude, that's 250 points from
Is
the
it going
top.
for 500?
I just want to see it settle down. It's just I feel like that just sucked in buyers right there, and it's fucking people just sold. Somebody just got sucked in on that. Don't be a sucker. Just wait. Just wait. Everybody wants to fucking jump it. Trust me. If this comes back, you'll have time to get in. Damn, dude, this thing just fucking unloaded. Wow.
That's crazy.
Anyone buying?
I saw my target and I was like, there's no way. But
there is.
yes, way.
I mean, the next low to take out is 424.
Anyone buying this right here?
Order filled.
Fucking
Order
buy it.
filled.
I didn't mean to hit twice, guys. My bad. I didn't mean to hit that fucking twice. Bro, that was such a fucking... I got to get a new mouse, by the way. No. Bro, I just got fucking dick kicked.
Yeah. I did too.
I didn't mean to hit the fucking button twice. That keeps happening. I still didn't touch my mouse sensitivity.
Wow. Came down, took me out just to go back up.
Yeah.
You motherfucker.
I can't believe that. That sucks. Bro, that sucks. Fucking, I can't believe that. Bro, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up to 600.
Version right now. If this closes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Three seconds.
Order filled.
I'm in.
Yo, how much can you make on these TL accounts a day? 800?
Yeah. It'll close you out automatically.
Oh, well, I'm at 605.47, so I'm just gonna stop for the day. I want to see it come back down. Oh my god,
There
bro.
we go.
Oh,
There we go. There's $400 right there.
Bro, I can't believe I got fucking wicked out.
Yo, I did too. At the bottom.
Yeah, bro. Are you kidding
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, I did too. But I entered on that inversion.
What, at 572?
Yes. Yeah, I re-entered on that.
I might enter here and go for
Order filled.
such a fucking cockbag.
Order filled.
I can't believe that just happened to me. And I mean, I made it in a bunch of other accounts because I didn't buy on that one when we came back down and back up. I got in, but I was like,
Yo, so how was last night?
dude, my friend, I went to softball practice, and then my friend that moved to Florida, the dad, texted me. He's like, yo, I'm having drinks in town. Why don't you come meet me? He's like, I called Greg too. And I was like, all right, cool. It was like fucking 6:30. I was like, all right, cool. Because I was in town already at this car show. And then, bro, next thing you know, it's 10:30. The bar closed at 10 and we're there. And I was like, bro, like, I gotta go home. Yeah, I got home, everyone was sleeping.
Sounds like a fucking good night, though.
It was fun. But I was like, dude,
There's a retest of that inversion, by the way.
I know, I was watching it. I think we drop, but who knows?
ES retested an inversion and it's going back up.
The 5 extra click bonus map. Dude, how many times has that happened to me so far?
Order filled.
At least a half
Order
a dozen.
filled.
It just keeps happening. That one was for real. I meant it.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I
That
don't know
one I
if
meant
we're
to.
going down.
What's up?
I don't know if we're going down.
I mean, that's all. I just needed a little, whatever I made, $78. I'm just scalping my way back. You're going to have to close over 93 here. Probably goes back up. I don't love it on the 5-minute chart, though. 5-minute chart looks fucking not great.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think at the bare minimum, they bring it down low to bring it back up.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine.
Order filled.
Sorry.
What's up?
I said we have PMI in 4 minutes, I think.
Oh, fuck. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
we
get out
do
of
have
this.
more news. I forgot about that.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'll just chill.
Good call, Marie.
Old
Good
Cove
fucking
would have
call.
helped that. I wish, Ethan, I should have. I can't believe I didn't fucking hold it. I'm such a piker.
My FOMO play, Ray. I didn't have a FOMO play.
Yo.
Both my plays were calculated. One was a 500 bounce.
Super calculated. He was in the lab testing that shit.
Yeah.
He had his lab jacket on, bro. You didn't know
One was
that?
a 500 bounce, and one was an inversion. It's fucking calculated.
Bro, it was so calculated. He went to school for 7 years to find that move. That was an awesome short. What's gold look like? Dude, gold went fucking downtown. Holy shit.
Asia was good last night.
Yeah.
It was definitely good.
It moved around last night too, right?
Yeah, I did.
BB on CNBC at 10. What is that? What up, Danny?
You like BB Netanyahu?
Order filled.
Oh, the fucking news is coming out. Oh, my bad.
Order filled.
My bad. I forgot. News is in 40 seconds. My bad. News in 40 seconds.
Checking to make sure I don't have any random orders hanging out.
What you doing? Nothing. Just hanging around.
Yeah, that's what my orders say.
Oh, this candle's just flickering. That's the problem. Sometimes it goes it will go nowhere, but it'll just go take out orders and whatnot. Yo, what up for keeps? I think ES is back in the fucking orb. I just got an alert. Oh yeah, ES is ripping back in the orb. Or it came back. What did it do? Came back in the orb? Yeah.
Order filled.
I just gotta remember I can't play short right now until I get out of that position. Yeah, I think. Oh man.
Order filled.
Pump. Just get me out of fucking 3, baby.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I need this ES to go.
Order filled.
If it goes, I'm still an ES long, so it's not like a big fucking deal. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know why it knocked you off. That's so weird. That's the first time it's happened, by the way.
That's good. That's
Of
an
course,
improvement.
it happens on the one time that I was gonna fucking. This thing's gonna go. It's Streamlabs, whatever it is on Streamlabs. What's weird is OBS shows 0 drop frames, so it's something with Streamlabs because it shows 0 drop frames, which means there's no internet loss or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing here? Are they gonna pop this thing? If they can hold it here for a little bit, I wouldn't be surprised. I feel like this is going to be the make or break it. Stay above the orb. You don't have an inversion, but you have a 5-minute FBG to the upside.
Yeah.
You should got something, but there it is. Oh, baby, somebody just got fucking fake face fucked right there. Somebody just, I don't mean to be graphic, but somebody definitely just blew in their freaking short because it dropped and then it just came right back on them. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Like somebody saw this and got in short at like 605 and it came back and went to 646 and just blew them out. That's dirty. The fact that it did that, I think it's going to go up. How's that sound? I mean, I'm in ES long, but the fact that it came down and kind of faked everybody out
Yep.
is usually the yeah, it's usually the gotcha, bitch. 4-point auto trail saves you. Yeah, Mulatto got short. Yeah, listen. It might still go. I mean, it's not moving up, but on that particular trade, this isn't really where I. What up, Toes? Yeah, probably gonna be right. What's wild is gold made back this whole move already. Gold's probably gonna go up.
Damn, NQ ripped right back up.
Dude, it's
Yeah.
right back up. I might play gold here on a little dip. Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking gold account. Anyways.
And above 670, we have a 5-minute inversion.
Order filled. Order filled.
My dog's barking in her sleep.
I want the bone.
They had me up all night. It's rabbit season over here.
Wow.
Rabbit season.
Yeah, they killed one. And darn rabbits. I go out there and chase them off. I have to go out there and chase them off before I let the dogs out.
No.
And they keep coming back. It's like, don't you guys know this is death?
Just leave one. Leave
They
one
want
in the
that
back.
smoke.
Let them realize it. Leave it on the entrance. Like listen, man. I'm leaving this here for your knowledge. I'm giving away knowledge right now. You guys don't want this.
No.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, and I don't know what they got. Was it last night or the night before? All I saw was the last final throw your head back and a chunk of meat go down.
Oh.
I don't know what it was.
Hey, in some places in the country, they rip that from the dog's mouth and they cook it up and eat it.
Or they just eat the dog.
Look at that. Look at this. Come on.
They're eating the dogs.
They're eating the dogs. Look at this shit. Should I take this off?
Order filled.
112. Bro, this PA account was down $500 and something. It's only down 170. That is a massive win. There's like a billion rabbits involved. I gotta look around my neighborhood.
What movie is that from? The dingo ate your baby. I can't remember the fucking movie.
I don't remember either, but I know Meryl Streep was in it.
Ah,
I don't remember the name of it.
what fucking movie is that?
So if you were on the stream early this morning, I set up that orb play. That's what this was. It's up. It's actually up more. I got in a little late, but it's up 150. I'm gonna see what happens. It's a Seinfeld episode.
There's a movie though too.
Oh man, dude, this is
Cry in the Dark is what it's called. Yeah, Meryl Streep's in it.
Yo, are you taking this inversion, by the way, on the 5?
Do we have a close yet on the 5?
No.
I'll wait for the close. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds on it.
I'd love to take a retest down to 57. Bro, this ES thing is ripping.
Kind of like it. We just made another 1 minute inversion.
I'm watching. I want to take profit here, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing.
Taking a little feeler entry.
Right here.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna close. It's gonna come back down to like 40, and then it's gonna go. It's too hot for me. Stochastics are way hot. 94. I just feel like it's got to come down a little bit.
I mean, I want it to come down because I want to add into this. But that's why I took a feeler. Because if it gets above VWAP, I think this thing's just going to go.
Yeah. 1,000%. If it goes,
We got a 2-minute inversion as well.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scalp it probably, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, there's some good profit right there.
Yeah, I did. I followed this same trade in a funded account for $300.
That's what I did too. I'm up $4.94 on a funded account today.
I think it still goes. At this stage, I bet you we come either all the way back or we hit this.
I'd like a little retest of it.
I'm just watching this. I'm watching.
A little retest with a wick through VWAP.
Do we
retest that version? Would be nice.
59. I'm all in. I should just put my freaking buy in there in case it wicks down. I got my orders in. Take my money. Just take it. Fuck me, man. So I got two options. I think I'm freaking, dude. So here's the deal. What?
Nothing good ever starts with, here's the deal.
Here's the deal. I'm leaving these orders in right here. I got to go to fucking field day. And my wife's so far at my ass about this shit that she won't stop fucking texting me. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. I'm going to leave these orders right here. And I'll take one off there, and then I'm going to leave one up there. I'm just going to, I'll just be back at fucking 2:00. I got nothing because I don't even know how to switch it over to you or anything. I'm on OBS.
Nah, you're good. I got shit to do today.
I'll be back at 2, guys. My bad for cutting it short. Leaving my orders in, and I'm in ES long still. Just an FYI.
Have fun at field day.
I got to go to field day. I'll be back at 2 p.m. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you then. All right. Peace.